What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new restocking video. I am super excited to show you all the slimes that we're going to be restocking in the shop today at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. It feels like I have been away for such a long time from my shop and I hate when I do that, so this restock is definitely special. I went a little bit crazy on the slimes because I was just super excited to be making slimes, so I hope that you enjoy. It's a huge restock. Also y'all, I do have a discount code. If you use code St. Patty, that's STPATTY, you get 17% off your entire order, and the first 20 orders get a free 8-ounce slime. I am just really excited to be back. I know that my shop has been idle for a while. I'm just really excited to be making some slime for you all, so let's get into the restock. So starting off with the first slime, we have my best seller, the queen of unicorn slime shop, Chanel number 2. She is a very thick and glossy, bubblicious, bubblegum scented slime. This one had been sitting for a little bit, so mine is a little bit underactivated and it still looks super thick, so just know that she's even thicker than that. I just really love this slime. Great for bubble pops, great for being holdable. If you have hot hands, this one is perfect for you. It doesn't really melt and it's just great. Also, I do have 32-ounce size options for this slime if you want a 32 ounce of Chanel number 2. Next up, we have Baja Blast, inspired by the Taco Bell Baja Blast Freezy. I love that so much. This one is my second best seller, so it's usually the second one to sell out in my shop. So if you want this one, make sure you get to the shop very early. Although there is a lot of it this restock, I'm just saying, I went a little ham. Anyways, this slime is scented just like the Baja Blast soda, so just think of like a lemon lime tropical soda with some blue raspberry notes in there as well. It smells really, really good, and I love this particularly because of the texture. It is an icy / cloud slime texture. It's like a little bit of a hybrid slime. You get a little bit of drizzles from it, but it's mostly an icy slime, and it's just really cool, clear based, almost like a cloud dough. It's just really nice. And I will have some 32-ounce Baja Blast for you all as well. Mud Mask is my third best seller. This one is another hybrid slime that is like a combination of two different slime textures. So this one is a cloud cream and a butter slime mixed together. I like to call it my buttercream texture. This one is really nice because it's super sizzly and spreadable, just like a butter slime. However, it's very dough-like, almost like a cloud dough or a cloud cream, and it's really cool. This one is scented like green tea lemon, and I am obsessed with the color now. We changed it just a little bit, made it a little bit more vibrant. However, it's still very muted. There's still some brown tones in there. And it's just a really good slime, and of course there will be 32 ounces of this baby as well. I made sure to make a lot of slime during this restock, one because I feel like I haven't restocked in a long time, and two because next week I'm actually going to be in Washington DC for Slime Expo DC, so I wanted to make sure that if you are not available to go to Slime Expo DC and see me and come snatch some slime, you can still snatch some slime on the internet. That's why I stocked a whole bunch of slime this week, and also 32 ounces. Next up, we have Unicorn Jelly. This is the only slime in the restock that is kind of limited because it was something that was very experimental and I wasn't sure if it would actually work. So this slime is a jelly slime and the color of it is a beautiful pink color. However, it's not made with food coloring or anything like that. It's actually made with pearlescent pigment. I wasn't sure how well the pearlescentness would show, but it's beautiful. As you can see here, like it looks almost very shimmery and glittery, and that is from the pearl pigment. So I really love this jelly slime so much. It's topped off with all of those pink and purple holographic glitters. There's also some little beads in there as well, just to kind of give it, you know, extra magicalness. And there's also some heart glitters in there as well. Those are holographic hearts, and it's just beautiful. It's scented like rainbow sherbet and unicorn farts. I don't really know where unicorn farts came from or why it's a scent name, but it is, and it smells delicious actually. So you should definitely try to snatch this one. Birthday Musketeers is actually inspired by what I think is a new Three Musketeers bar flavor. It's birthday cake Three Musketeers. So I was like, you know what? I have to make this a slime because it was actually very delicious. So this is the slime inspired by this candy bar that you are looking at right now. It is scented like chocolate candy bars and birthday cake. It smells really, really good. It actually smells better than the candy tastes, I think. And the candy is delicious, but I think this scent combination that I made is just so good. It's a thick and glossy base, and it has a bunch of rainbow foam beads in it just to give it some texture. There's also some white foam beads in there, and then there are the black Java chips to represent the chocolate pieces. And I just love this so much. Shamrock Puff is a new slime to the shop. This one is an inflatable clay slime, and it's made with a special blend of clay to make sure that it like puffs up super nicely. It's actually scented like mint milkshake, which is what the Shamrock Shake is, and it's just really cool. It comes two tones, so it comes with a light mint green and then like a darker minty green. You can mix it together yourself, and it comes topped off with some green star holographic glitters. I love that, and it's just really cool. This is great if you like inflating slimes, and it's also perfect for the St. Patrick's Day season. Hashtag cheese challenge is probably the funniest thing going around right now, so I had to make a slime inspired by it. If you're not sure what the cheese challenge is, it's basically where people are going around throwing slices of cheese on babies' heads, and the babies just laugh and everybody has a great time, and it's so hilarious. I love watching the videos. I'm like hooked on them, so I decided to make this slime. It is a thick and glossy slime, actually the exact same recipe as Chanel. However, it's just a different color to make it look like cheese, and it's actually scented like mango because I'm not down for cheese scented slime yet. I don't think. I don't know if I'm ready for that. So I just decided to go with mango because it was a safe bet and it smells really good. And each one of these are actually going to come with a baby charm, so you can, you know, throw your baby in the cheese or throw the cheese in the baby, whatever you want to do, boo. White Cherry ICEE is one of my favorite slimes from this restock. I'm actually very obsessed with it because of the scent. The scent is so good. It's actually scented like wild cherry Capri Sun, and oh my god, it's the best thing ever. Like, it literally made me go out and buy Capri Suns. It's so good. This is the same texture as Baja Blast, so it is that icy / cloud slime texture. It is white, but it's really cool, and it also comes with a red cherry charm, just, you know, to incorporate the cherry. Spring Fishbowl is a new fishbowl slime to welcome in the spring season because it is upon us if it's not already here. I know most of you are probably on spring break this week or will be at some point. I love this so much because it has some different fishbowl beads in it, like butterflies and bunnies and Easter eggs and flowers. It's just super cute, and there's a bunch of iridescent glitters in here as well to make it sparkle. I really love it so much. The base is crystal clear and unscented, so if you have a scent allergy, this is perfect for you. And the last slime is another slime that I am super obsessed with. This one is Unicorn Cake Pops, and it is a jumbo foam with these jumbo foam beads in it. I love them so much. Are those bubble pops not everything to you? Like, that is everything to me. I love the sounds of this slime so much. Each one is going to come with 2 to 3 of these jumbo foam beads. That way it's very easy to play with and it doesn't become too hard. But the base of this slime, y'all, is super creamy and amazing. It smells like red velvet cake and cake batter ice cream. That combination I never thought I needed in my life, but turns out I did. Alrighty, y'all, that is pretty much it for this restock. I really hope you all enjoyed it and found something that you would like to purchase. In the comment section down below, let me know if I should bring any of these slimes back when I come back from DC for Slime Expo DC. Also, let me know if you're going to Slime Expo DC, and let me know if you plan to snatch any of my slimes. I might have some specials going on. I will let you all know. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!